Welcome everyone. My name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Today we have another success story interview. In fact, there are so many success stories that our guest today, Priya Mehta, is going to tell us all about. Now, she is a YouTube viewer. She saw our videos and she emailed me and she said, you know what? This is my story. And when I heard her story, I said, okay, you need to come on the platform. I just want to say hello and invite Priya onto our stage here. Thank you so much for coming. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, Karthika. I'm so excited and happy that you have accepted my email. I was not aware that marriage is not on my cards because my dad never shared it to me. It was just, he just always was friendly with me. Priya, it is okay. You want to live your life. You want to do projects, interiors, keep doing. Shadi hoti rahegi. It is okay. No need to worry. So people used to poke me, why your father is not tense? I said, it's okay. He's a very understanding person. He knows I'm into interiors and I love my work. So one fine day, I was that by that time I was 35. So my father called me and he said, Priya, because it was my friend's wedding, I was going next day. So he called me and he said, Priya, I'm sorry, beta, I have to share something with you. Don't get too emotional when you go to your friends' marriages. It is not necessary everybody will get married in this lifespan. So because your astrological charts have no marriage in cards, even if it's 2% chances of you getting married, and that too with that particular chart which has very strong marriage ka yog. Only that person, if you find it's like 1 in a million, with that you can get married. So it's better you just take that thought out of your mind. So chill, you are earning well, you are settled, enjoy your life. That day I took it as a challenge because I was already following law of attraction. I was already into those positive vibes. And when somebody says this cannot happen, that actually, triggers me from inside. And I'm like, oh, now I will show you how it can happen. So I started my day. And those days I used to listen to Abraham Hicks and I made that wheel chart with all the attributes I want in that man. And bus chart, I used to read that chart twice or thrice, and I used to write the affirmation, I'm happy to be married, I'm enjoying. And everybody's face is like, wow. Because especially my father's face. Tell him, Papa, everything is, don't go into all this. All these are man-made things, right? All these are man-made science. Astrology, see, it is a science, but how that person is perceiving, how much knowledge or how much depth he is into it, how much is able to read your chart, because if you go to 5 different people will give you 5 different visions. Right. So for the man, human level, I've never trusted, honestly. I don't know. I could never trust on that level. So I said, the universal laws are bigger than whatever science is prevailing in country, in the world. I did it. So imagine, I told my dad, it was November, it was October 26th, 2015. And I said, Papa, if I don't get a boy by the end of this year, you paying me all your reserve money and I'm going to Australia, that I will live my life my way. Fine. You'll give all your saved money to me, then I will quit that thought of getting married. But by December 2015, you will get a boy in your hand. You will see. So I started manifesting. When I want to manifest, go crazy. It's like just drink cricket, sleep cricket, and think cricket. So I'm like that only. I keep on writing. I don't count 55 into 5 or whatnot. It's like writing every time or singing the song. Let everybody hear in my house. I'm not bothered. I'm driving the car. I'm singing. I am marriedly, happily. I'm married, happily. Enjoy. Oh, मैं गाती रहती हूँ. It's like 2 to 3 hours. It's like I have to get it. So October, I told my papa this thing. November 20th. Okay. So since I'm not an extrovert person, so I was thinking, Priya, you don't have those friend circles to go to parties and you can meet somebody from somebody. How will a guy approach you? You should be open with so many things. So I opened jeevansathi.com. I opened all the matrimonial sites, made accounts. He can come from anywhere. Universe can send him through anywhere. And even I tried those, dating apps. He told me you can dating app. I said dating. I said okay. no, maybe this is something I'm not doing and he has to come through this only. Open it. I was open everywhere. 20th of November, I found him. And I told him on the phone, you're from Bombay, I'm from Delhi. I don't have that much of time to spend with somebody. So you better, let's call it off. I'll find somebody in Delhi. I was just talking to him. And within 2 days, he came here to Delhi. He met me. First meeting done. After a week, he said, lock kar do. I said, lock kar de. Risk, there is a risk in, I had always this feeling risk is everywhere. Even if you have a known people to get married to or unknown. So I just said, let's take it a call. So December, he came and meet my father. And he said, we are getting married in January. Within 2 months, we got married. 20th November, he met me. 29th December, he met my father. 20th January, we got married. And my father still tells me this, Priya. I mean, how did you do it? He's still like, and everything came in the attributes which I wrote on the paper. Each and everything is ditto same.
Amazing story.
I did not write was that I want a guy in Delhi because my father was alone.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I did not write. Mm-hmm. And see, I got him in Bombay.
Right.
So this is something.
To someone who's watching this video who's struggling with their manifestation, what advice would you give them?
Advice is very simple. Believe it. It should be a blind belief. The same way we order a pizza. I have been understanding these examples from all of you on the YouTube. The same way you're ordering pizza. Same way I said, forget, be like a baby. A baby doesn't know. My son Veer is 4 years old. He doesn't know mama has money or not. He want a car means he want a car. So he will cry. He will do any thing in 24/7. He's dreaming of car. He will sleep. He will get up, mama car. He's sleeping, mama car. Every time car. That means what? That car is in his mind 24/7. He's feeling it. He wants to touch it. He wants to play it. He wants to show it to his friends 24/7. He's feeling it. And then he has a blind faith. Mama can do anything. Mama can bring anything. He doesn't have doubt on me. So even if I have to take a loan or, I have to sell something, he doesn't know how mama is arranging it. But he will get it.
He just trusts that it will come. Yeah.
Has to be blind because law is already working. Already you have attracted so much mess in your life. Already people have so much of mess. They have attracted it. I know people in my family who have attracted diseases. I know it, but you can't change their mindset. So at least people who have, and the main point is acceptance. If you accept it, this is something is going through me, acceptance as in I'm in a mess, I want a solution. And once they start asking themselves a question, I want a solution, God, universe, whoever, solution, right way, you will find somebody either through YouTube or through articles or through a book. Yeah. Same way I manifest BMW out of nowhere.
Yeah, so let's do that. So let's just give the list, okay? The actual name. So you said BMW. You said, yeah.
It's the same money-wise. I attracted 800,000 in 1 month. I attracted BMW out of nowhere. My husband gifted me. And then international stay. I wanted to, be settled out of India. I have never been out of India before my marriage. I was never. So this is something I have been telling everybody, that too in joke. या जिससे भी शादी होगी ना, उसकी ऐश है because मेरे destiny में international citizenship लिखी हुई है. So that guy will be, gifted guy because he's getting married to me. Nice. This I was saying is like this, in a joke. So this happened. And even one thing more, the marriage part, which I, at the age of 38, I got married, which is like in Indian mind ke hisab se, it's a very old age. People used to tell me indirectly that you have to settle with somebody, compromise. Just to settle in your life, you have to compromise, and you will get a uncle. You will not get a boyish.
Yeah.
And instead of my husband, he is more handsome than me. He looks more young than me, and we are of same age.
Right. So you got the perfect, what all you wrote for, right?
What I suggest people is, if you are unable to believe on these things, start attracting smaller things and weird situations in which you can, you can believe. For example, I was going in metro in Delhi, and it is jam packed because I'm going in the peak hours. I know I won't get a seat because it is packed, people are standing. But on the platform, I'll connect myself because I know healing and meditation. So I connect myself and I see myself sitting in the metro from my station to the destination station. And then I finish, disconnect, I go inside. We all are hanging and holding and jam packed. There's a girl there. She's telling me, excuse me, the girl in blue, you want to sit because I have my next station.
Wow.
Out of the blue.
So well
this is not magic.
So well
this is
done.
magic. Ask for a butterfly in a metro. So metro is closed, AC, butterfly kahan se aayegi? But it passes by. It passes by. So isliye what I feel is when you are manifesting something big which is very concerned to you, आप उससे इतने attach हो जाते हो कि आपको डर लगता है कि नहीं हुआ तो, if it won't happen then what, if nothing is happening then what will Papa say, what will he will say, so you are already doubting and finishing that thing. Right? So what I say is start from smaller things. A free pizza is a very small thing. You will not get attached to it. You know, if it will not come, I will buy myself. So you will manifest, you will feel, you will taste, you will imagine all toppings and everything, and then you forget and you start living your life. After 2 days, some friend will come with the same pizza, same size, same topping, same comfort which I asked for, and you are good to go. Biggest thing which has actually helped me all along, because I have a healing background. The very first day, 1999, when somebody taught me Reiki first level, she told me only one thing. I forgot everything what she taught me. Only one thing I remember. Soul and the source soul is same. Atma and Paramatma is same.
Same.
It's like a balloon of water put inside the bucket of water. The water inside doesn't know me and outside is same. It is just a thin layer, right? This is a very beautiful concept. If you can feel and accept that, everything will come like this. So I always feel Atma and Paramatma is one. So if inside is Atma, that is Paramatma, and Paramatma is omnipresent. He is omniscient. He knows everything. He knows all my answers. And wherever God's energy is, there cannot be a negative energy. Either glass is half water and half air. It is not empty. Fine? So same way when Paramatmic energy is me. So she told me, Priya, Atma Paramatma is same, and that stuck my mind. If I am Paramatma, so my aura is Paramatma's aura. So divine aura means positivity. Divine aura means only love. Divine aura means only good people will come to me. So even the worst case scenario, people with the worst mindset, whenever they're around me, I don't know, they are polite to me, they are loving to me, and they are actually non-harm, they're loving. Even harmful people are not harming me at all.
Absolutely.
So this is a basic thing. And see, nature's law, we all are here. Paramatma is there. He has made a game plan. It's like Saap Seedi, snakes and ladders, and he has given the rules. So you just learn the rules, align yourself with the rules, you will get the CD only, the ladder only. The moment you break the rule, snake will bite you and you will come down.
Absolutely.
So it is we who are attracting what we are right now. It's that simple. So let's change, go to the law now, so that we can attract what we want consciously now. अभी तक तो हम unconsciously कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely, I love the snake and ladders.
See your life right now. What family wise, paisa wise, relationship wise. See yourself right now. List these bad things are happening with me. So you have attracted, darling. अब उसको reverse it and start attracting better. It is very simple.
Learn the rules, then you can have the CD, the ladder up to where you want to go. Otherwise, you'll get bitten by the snake and you'll come back down. Very well done. I think that's a great end point for our interview. I'm going to actually put the whole interview as one video and then parts of it as other videos so that the topics are all discussed. But really well done. Thank you so much, Priya, for sharing. I think you should start your own YouTube channel. You have, right, already a YouTube channel? Yes. How can we link that to you? How can we link your YouTube channel so people can find you?
If you search Priya Mehta and Law of Attraction, you can find me.
Perfect. I'll also link it. So you just send me the link. I will I will link it in the description. So you can find Priya's YouTube channel in the description. I think you have some wonderful things to share, especially the Atma and Paramatma part that is very similar to what we teach as well. It's called Everything is Consciousness. So fabulously done. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you guys for watching. Please thank her in the comment section as well. So just a big bye to everyone. Just I hope you guys took a lot of inspiration. Just go fly, live your life, because you are the sole creator of everything, guys. You are the sole creator. Just keep going. And that's it. I'm going to wrap up the interview now. So we're going to stop the video. Bye, guys.